This here is the Mixel City Fire Department. Their group consists of the firefighting crew known as Aquad, Splasho, and Hydro. Let's start off with the captain. Aquad is a firefighting jet, and much like most vehicles, much like most fire extinguishing planes, he dumps out water from sides of his wingspan and puts out the fire. Here are the wings that he has. In case they have to deal with a real fire, the Mixel City Fire Department fuse into one. That way they know how to deal with fire and to deal with danger. I will show you the max for this fusion real soon. I swear on my God's grave. There is no problem too big, no fire too small that they cannot handle. When it comes to the Mixel City Fire Department, they can do it all. Are there we go. There we go. Lastly, we draw a splasho. Hydro is the one that has the ladder for a mouth, which is kind of an amazing feature, by the way. He can help his allies get to the nearest fire so they can put it out. Even he can put him out himself. I wouldn't dare save ever anyone myself if I was up there. I'd do anything to help out my buddies. If you ask me, these guys make the ultimate team. They're as good as the police division. Here we go. There we are. That is how you draw the Mixel City Fire Department. The only member of the Mixel City Fire Department that I have. Coming soon. And by that,